Hello everyone. World Environment Day is on 5th of June and this year the Green Commanders Forum will be doing seed bombing. সকলোকে নমস্কাৰ আৰু এইবাৰ আমি বিশ্ব পৰিৱেশ দিৱসত 5 জুনত সকলো গ্ৰীণ কমাণ্ডাৰ্ছ বিলাকে seed bombing কৰিম। আপোনালোকো আমাৰ সহযাত্ৰী হ'ব পাৰে। This time the theme is inspired by nature for climate for our future. Inclining with the theme, we are inspired by the birds, where they eat the fruit and they litter the seeds and the plants grow again. The world becomes green. So this year, the Green Commandos will make their hands green and make seed bombs to make the world green. Today, I have with me Green Commando Junior from Army Public School, Jorhat, Minasa Kashyap. She will demonstrate you how to make seed bombs.
Hello everyone, I'm Green Commander Minasha Kashyap, and today I'll be demonstrating how to make seed balls for seed bombing for World Environment Day. Namaskar, মই Green Commander Minasha Kashyap, আৰু মই আজি আপোনালোকক seed bomb কেনেকৈ বনাই দেখাম।
So for making seed ball, we need few things. First is the virgin topsoil from the base of a tree. See the root hairs into that. So we will need around 1 kg of that. Amak 1 kg man gosor tolor jitu mati, he gosor tolor mati tu lagibo. We need made compost. So this is our made compost. This is our made compost. So we have around 1 kg of made compost. Amak 1 kg poson har. আমি নিজে ঘৰতে বনোৱা 1 kg poson har লৈ লম বা কিনিবলৈও পায় poson har. Next we need gram flour, besan বা আমাক যেটো gram flour হেতু লাগিব. We need around 250 grams of gram flour. We need seeds. Seeds আমাৰ সৰু seedও থাকিব, আমাৰ ডাঙৰ seedও থাকিব. Seeds will be our both bigger ones and smaller ones. Don't only look for edible plants, we can also plant non-edible. The mission is to make it green. And the most important thing we need is water. But this water is rice wash water. We have dipped some rice into this, or whenever you wash rice, so you can have that water. So আমি এটো চাউল ধোৱা পানী কেটামান চাউল তিয়াই লব পাৰে, নহলে বা যেটো ঘৰত আমি চাউল ধোৱা পানী ইউজ কৰো হেতু আমি কৰিব। So now she will show us how to make seed bombs. So first she is taking 2 handful of virgin topsoil. Now she will add 2 handful of compost, made compost. 1 handful of gram flour. Kiki lole 2 muthi topsoil, 2 muthi poson har আৰু 1 মুঠি বেসন। এইগিটা কেতিয়া অকমান চাউল ধোৱা পানী with rice wash water, she will make a dough. এখিনি আমি যেনেকে ৰুটি বনাওতে আটা খানো তেনেকে হেখিনি খানি লব। Now the dough is ready. So now she will make some seed balls. So this is how she will make the seed ball. Now her seed ball is ready. Now she will show us how to insert the seed. Eta ball to ready হৈ গল, আমাক মিনাসাই দেখাইছে কেনেকে seed to ভৰাব। এনেকে, so we have to put the seed like this and not put the whole seed inside. We keep the later part out like this. আমি অলপ মানকে seed to এনেকে উলাই থাকাকে আমি seed to ভৰাই দিম। So this is eta seed bomb ready. So we will shade dry it now. We will keep it under the shade to dry, then we can throw it. So etu eta amar seed bomb ready হৈ গল। When the seeds are small like this, so what we need is we will mix the seeds with the mixture. So যেতিয়া বীজবিলাক সৰু হয় তেতিয়া আমি এই গোটেই কম্পোষ্ট আৰু যিটো গছৰ তলৰ মাটি আৰু বেচন লৈছোঁ সেই মিক্সচাৰটোতে আমি সিডখিনি এনেকৈ মিক্স কৰিম. We will mix it properly, and from here only we will make the seed balls, set dry and throw. ইয়াক ভালকৈ মিক্স কৰি ইয়াতে আমি এতিয়া seed বলখিনি বনাম সৰু সৰুকৈ. This seed bomb is ready with smaller seeds, and now we can set dry.
Hope you have enjoyed, and let's promise to make the world green with seed bombs. Bye!
Thanks to Minasa for doing such a beautiful presentation. This Environment Day, every one of you, let us come together, make seed balls, and we can make the world green. I'm throwing the seed bomb. We have to search for a place where we have less vegetation. We don't reach there, but we can throw gently seed bombs there and make the world green.